Most people think Sezzle approvals are random when they get denied. But here's the truth no one tells you. Sezzle is not random at all. It runs on a risk system that reacts to your financial behavior in real time. Quick promise. In this video, you'll learn exactly why Sezzle is not approving you in 2026, the real reasons behind the denial, and step-by-step fixes to improve your approval chances. Let's get straight into it. First, understand how Sezzle evaluates you. It does not just look at credit scores. It looks at your repayment history, spending patterns, and account activity. For example, Alex uses Sezzle regularly and pays on time, so his approval limit grows. But Jake missed one payment, and now his account keeps getting rejected. Now here's where it gets interesting. One of the biggest reasons for denial is missed or late payments. Even a small delay can reduce your trust score inside the system, and that affects future approvals. Next, let's talk about account age. If you are a new user, Sezzle has very little data on you. That means it sees you as higher risk. So instead of approving large orders, it often denies them until you build history. But here's the problem most people ignore. Order size matters a lot. If you try to buy expensive items immediately, the system may automatically reject the transaction. Sezzle prefers small, low-risk purchases first. Another major factor is payment method issues. If your debit card is invalid, expired, or has low balance during verification, the system may flag your account and deny approval instantly. Now, let's go over something simple but powerful. Your personal information consistency. If your name, address, or banking details do not match exactly across your profile, it can trigger automatic rejection. In a minute, here's the key insight most users miss. Sezzle builds trust over time. That means your approval improves when you consistently make small purchases and complete payments without delays. Also, avoid applying for multiple buy now pay later services at the same time. Too many applications in a short period can make your financial profile look unstable. Make sure your app is updated and your payment methods are current. Sometimes approval failures are caused by outdated app data or old card information. So to summarize, Sezzle not approving you is usually caused by missed payments, low account history, large purchase attempts, payment method issues, or inconsistent personal details. None of these are permanent problems. If you fix these issues and build a clean payment history, your approval chances will gradually improve over time. If this helped you understand the issue, make sure to like the video, leave a comment with your experience, and subscribe for more simple financial app fixes like this.